All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we say goodbye to the only tech in the shop that you guys have been introduced to. Josh is leaving us. Say hi, Josh.
Hi.
That's the infamous Josh.
Scotch lock, Sparky.
Yeah. Now, other times we've had guys leave, gotten to send a little bit of send off to them. Like when Andrew left, I shot his toolbox video right before he left, and we said goodbye. He moved down south. He's happy. He's grown his hair out. It's kind of weird, but he's happy down in South Georgia. So Josh, on the other hand, is moving to another shop here in Atlanta, but not a shop like us. He's going to work on Ferraris. So, you know, Josh is leaving us, and again, he's the only tech that has appeared on camera on my channel. He's the only tech. I always get asked this: why don't you introduce us to the guys? None of them want to be on camera. I'm sorry. I've asked multiple times. I've said to Bam Bam, you know, if you do a video, you know, if you're on camera, my video will go viral. Everybody knows Bam Bam. I mean, my boss was at a conference and they were asking about me and Bam Bam. But they don't want to be on camera, so nothing I can do about that. But Josh has been on camera, and hopefully I can put a part of it here. Say hi, Josh.
Hi.
He is saying goodbye to us. He's going to work on high-end exotics. He's going to work as an apprentice at a Highline shop. So when this goes live, it will be his last day. So we get to say goodbye to Josh. You guys get to say goodbye to Josh. You know, he will be missed. He's just moving across town, so not out of state. So we'll get to see him from time to time, but we are saying goodbye to Josh. So he's worked here for a good long time. He will be missed. Thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.